Welcome back on my YouTube channel Asees Khan Official. In this video I will tell you about how to make a Excel form due for enter data, and with the help of form you can easily enter the data related to the students like information. Here you can see the sample of form which I make in already in MS Excel. Before starting the video I will requesting that subscribe my YouTube channel Asees Khan Official and like my videos. Thank you. First step is to delete the form which is already presented in MS Excel. I will remove and OK. So you can see that the form is now deleted. Now I will close this Excel and open a new Excel format. Now I will select this one in this one, click on all borders and I will select first two rows and merge. Now I will write the name in this way. Now I will write student ID. Here I will write name, class, fee and address. Now I will set in this way. Now I will make in this way. I will put the color in this way. Now how to make a form. So first step is to click on file, go to options and select customize ribbon. Now I will click on new group and new group, click on this group and rename that group. In this way and OK. Now I will go to choose command formats and select commands not in the ribbon, and in the sequence of alphabets select F and click on form, and after selecting the form I will click on add and OK. Now you can see that my form is made, but the issue is first of all I will select this format. I will select the row like student ID, name, class, fee and address. Now I will go to click on format and OK. So now you can see that my form is ready. Like student ID, I will name I will enter the name, class, fee and address, and new. So you can see that my data is automatically entered in the sequence. Now here I will write the student ID 2, class, fee and address, and new. Now I will enter class fee and address Karachi, new, for name class fee and address Kashmir, new, class fee and new. So you can see the procedure of making form, which is used to enter data smoothly and easily. So if you have any question related to this video, you can ask me in comment box. Thank you.